Hi guys, welcome back to my garden. So today I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to show you an important step that I do before I harvest my onions. This step I think is very crucial if you want to have big, beautiful bulbs. So you do this before it's harvest time. Okay, so what we're going to do is just really loosen up the soil around each bulb. So that way there's no restrictions as the bulb grows. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is what the onions are looking like. I have loosened the soil around each bulb so that they have room to grow. As you can see, we have different sizes, so there are different stages. Some are big and some are still small, but they're still growing. Issues with these onions in the spring. Quite a few of them died out. They dried up, wilted, but the ones that remain are actually doing pretty well. I'm just so grateful that we would at least have some onions to harvest this season. We have both yellow and red onions growing here. And these two right here are actually, the necks are bent. So I think I'm going to harvest these onions. The neck is bent.